Hello everyone, welcome to TechieQA channel. In this video, we are going to see like how to use our keyboard buttons, like how to enter the key, something and all. So for that scenario, go to Google, enter Python. So I don't want to click Google search. So when it shows list item, I have to click on enter button, like return button. Okay, and I have to assert this first title, welcome to python.org. Okay, this is what we are going to try to do in this video. Let's see how to do it. Just Eclipse, already the code is written for entering the Python text. So google.com, enter the text in search box Python. Here we have to pass the enter key. Okay, just run it, what will get it, we'll see. Okay, it just entered and closed. So here you have to just add a plus sign, keys dot. So it will ask you like if you keys selenium.webdriver. So when you enter it, if it shows suggestion, just choose second one, selenium.webdriver common.keys. If didn't show, you have to add this whole line manually. That's it. Keys. So which key you want to dot? I want return key. So return. So as of now, just I will. Okay. Anyway, we have a sleep, right? So we'll add time dot sleep for 3 seconds. Just run. So it should press enter. So I'm not going to do anything. Let's see. Yeah, it entered Python and it pressed our keyboard enter key. That's why it's navigated to next page. So here you have to validate the first result, right? So here for that purpose, I will simply get it CSS selector with some tool, or else. So find a locator ID. Go here. So after entering, I will write variable is site name is equal to driver dot find element by CSS selector. I have entered the value at end dot text you have to do. So it will fetch the text and it will store into site name. Now we have to do assert the site title, like the expected what you want to expect, your expected one in site name. So we'll face actual one. Okay, for example, if you simply put welcome to Python, let's see, it should show assert error actually, because the actual one is different. Welcome to python.org. Here it goes to Python. Yeah, let's see what happens. It's terminated. It just checked welcome to Python in site name is exist or not. It's there. Okay, if we didn't enter, so this is what we can do for some site name. You just enter the actual ID. So if you want that actual, what you can do, just right click on it, go to inspect element. So you have to fetch this whole text, right? So I have to fetch like this. Where is it? Yeah, this is my expected in site name. Just see. Python keyboard action is done, then assertions. So after assertion, it will wait for 3 seconds. Then it will terminate the browser. Okay. So successfully we are able to do the keyboard action as well as assertion for next page. So that we can make sure it's clicked properly. We have asserted next page. Okay. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you face any issue, please put into comments. Please subscribe our channel as well for more videos like this.